Miss it. Hi everybody, my sister is gonna make sushi. Watch.
Okay, so first you'll need your cooked rice. This is rice vinegar, sugar, and salt mixed together, so that'll be sticky rice. Sesame seeds, cucumbers. Usually I use avocados, but we didn't have any, and so I'm not going to. And this is nori, which is a big flat sheet of seaweed. It's all squished together. So first we have to prepare the rice. So we take the cooked rice and the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture, and we just pour it in as soon as the rice is cooled down. And then you want to make sure you use a spatula so that you don't overwork it. And then you just mix it in until it's all gone. So Charlotte, you want to do this for me?
Yes.
Nice and slow. There you go. Now what I'm going to do while Charlotte's mixing that is get the mat ready. So usually when people make sushi, they use a big bamboo mat, but I don't have a bamboo mat. So I'm going to use a beach towel. And so on top of the beach towel, you need some plastic wrap. Just want to spread it out, make sure it's not stuck together. And then on top of that, you want to place your seaweed. How's it going, Charlotte? Is it ready?
Almost.
You just spilled. Alright. And then on top of that, I like to put sesame seeds in. You don't have to, but I think it adds a little, it makes it more beautiful. So you just want to sprinkle it on top. And then you want to scoop as much rice as you like. It depends on what you like. If you want a smaller roll, then you'll use less rice, and if you want a bigger roll, then you'll use more. I'm going to go with 2 scoops. Then you can either use your spoon or your spatula. I like to use my spatula just to spread it out. So you basically just want to have enough rice to cover the sheet. Now, inside you want to place your vegetables, and so I only have cucumber. So I'm going to take a couple of them and just place them in the middle, whatever way I'm going to roll it. So since I'm going to roll the seaweed this way, I want to make sure this is the middle, so the cucumber is going to go right here. Then I want to have a big, nice, flat surface like over here on the table. And first, you want to just take the edges with the plastic wrap and just cover the vegetables from the inside. Make sure it's all nice tucked in there. And then using the towel, you want to just roll it up. And then squeeze it as hard as you can to make sure it stays together. When you unroll it, it might look a little weird and squished, but you'll fix it, don't worry. Unroll the plastic wrap, take it out, and then bring it to your cutting board. Now what I like to do is just squish it, make sure it's nice and round, because sometimes it looks a little weird. And then you want to take a nice sharp knife, and you put it right down the middle, carefully so that you don't cut your fingers. And then, that's what it looks like. And then you want to cut it into smaller rings, about this big, so that you have little bite-sized pieces. And then you can put it into a container. And then you just keep going until you use all your rice, until you get as much as you want. So, Charlotte and Delaney, would you like to try some?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. How is it?
Good.
Good. Sure.
Kayla,
Yes.
our guests would like to have some. So can you please send it to school?
No, they're all for me. Sure. Now you try.